Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power. Unplug the fan and remove it from the clip so you can work safely. Once done, place the fan on a clear surface and open the grill using the correct screwdriver. Make sure to keep screws grouped. Inspect the motor, blades, and clip mechanism visually while referencing photos you took. Use a multimeter to check basic continuity on the power lead quickly. This tells you whether wiring or the motor could be the problem before deeper disassembly. Next, diagnose the core components. Test motor windings and any run capacitor against expected values. If readings are off, replace the part. Carefully remove the rotor to inspect bearings. Clean grit away and add a drop of light machine oil because lubrication reduces friction and noise. Then examine the clip mechanism. Tighten screws, rebend metal tabs for tension, or swap cracked plastic pieces to restore grip. Make sure moving parts rotate freely before reassembly to avoid repeat failure. Finally, reassemble the fan in reverse order, ensuring the blades sit balanced and the grill clips fully into place. Imbalance causes wobble and noise. Plug in and test on low power first while standing clear, listening for smooth rotation. If the fan still fails, double-check cord continuity and the on/off switch with a multimeter. These are common failure points. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent operation persists, wiggle the cord while powered to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.